If you spend any time advertising on Meta ads, then you know that it's becoming more and more difficult to make money. Instead of putting basic ads talking about the features and benefits of the product, nowadays you need to do something a lot more advanced. So the beginner marketer would typically talk about the products and they would burn through all this money, right? So instead of doing that, the more advanced marketers do research on the target customer's language and take the quotes and statements, their fears and frustrations, these exact quotes from the research findings, and use those things as advertising. So basically, this N8N flow allows you to find these compelling quotes that you can turn into headlines or body copies or primary text copies really quickly. Let me show you how it works. So let me actually do a quick run. All right, so the run is finished. So let me talk through what happened here. So to give you a little bit of context, I am in the hair product niche. So this is hair products for men. The first thing to do is first we go to the console here. So the console basically has a list of all the similar competitors. So these are the ASINs from Amazon. So as you know, with Amazon, you get to go into the reviews and there's a lot of golden nuggets in there regarding the fears and frustrations, the aspirations of the target customers, and just a bunch of different things that the customers say in regards to the topic itself, right? So basically, I did research for all these competitor products. So there is about 28 of them. So I dropped it into the console. And what happens in the flow is that, first of all, it pulls the very first item from the console and it uses this Amazon review scraper to pick up about 100 items, so 100 reviews. And after that, it goes in and it weeds out the short reviews that are less than 80 characters. And then from there, it simply updates it to a spreadsheet. Okay. So the outcome looks something like this. So there's the product, there's the review date, there's a title, and also the actual reviews. So as you can see, we pulled a couple thousand, actually, let's take a look, about 1.7K, 1.8K reviews. So these are reviews from the competitor products. So this is golden stuff, right? From there, once you have the database of all the reviews, what you can actually do is use this chatbot. So I can open up the chat and I can type in a quick prompt. I'll let that run. So essentially what's happening here is I am syncing the database up to this chatbot. And through this chat portal, I'm getting the agent to go into the database to pull out the relevant information and clean it up in a nice way. So I don't have to go through the 1,800 reviews manually. So these are all the things that I can use. All right. So hold hair in place, looking textured, not greasy at all. So that's great. So get the benefit without the typical byproduct. So there are many different ideas here. And through my previous run, I actually was able to create an ad like this. So it looks like nothing special, but because I'm using the target customer's exact words, so this one is about pomade, and they're all using pomade and not getting great results. This ad is actually doing quite well. So over the last 12 days, 3.5K spend for 6.8K in sales at 28.83 in CAC. So that's actually pretty good metrics. And that is pretty much it. So a basic workflow through N8N for you to quickly generate accurate meta ads ideas that are promising and are likely to actually make you some money. If this is interesting to you, just drop a comment below and maybe I'll do a full build out tutorial for this.